Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm just gonna do a quick run through of how to get that summertime glow in under 3 minutes. Let's get started, let's run through it. First thing first, a fan brush. This fan brush is key. One thing about highlighter is it's dangerous for someone like me who likes glitter. So you gotta be kind of light-handed. This Fenty Hustler Baby is very pigmented. It's very pretty. Just dab it. Then I go ahead and trace it around my nose area. Next up, the bronze. I use a dark concealer stick. So this one I got at Rite Aid. It's called Black Opal. And then I'll go in on my chin area, jawline, and then I will go kind of dab it around my chin. This is for someone who doesn't want to look orange, but yet chiseled. And I go up with it. Okay, another secret ingredient of mine is my favorite blush, Tarte Flush. This is your secret weapon for summer. And that's it. And then run it across. To finish it off, I use Josie Maran Argan Infinity Lip and Cheek Stain. I use this on my cheek as well sometimes. Dab it on my lips. And you only need a little bit. Alright you guys, that's it for me. Hopefully this gave you some quick, insightful tips on how to just go and glow. Go and glow! Let's make that a thing this summer. And do me a favor, like this and share if you liked it. And I'll see you next time, okay? Bye guys, take care.